Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the Ford Fiesta and we're replacing this dingy old rearview mirror. You can see down there it's starting to kind of degrade at the bottom, and I like all my mirrors to be in tip-top shape. So before we get started, please smash the subscribe button, head over to the channel and check out tons of other great content, thumbs up, and a notification bell at the end. So first things first, we ordered another one off of the World Wide Web, and to remove this bad boy, there are two little pry holes, one at the top, one at the bottom. You can tilt the mirror all the way up in the air. So this has like a spring clip here. You're probably going to get better access at the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a small flat blade screwdriver and put it in this bottom notch and just slowly work your way up as you pry off this little spring clip here. I'm going to link the new mirror below. It's OEM quality. And actually, this one does not have anything stamped on it Ford. So more than likely, maybe it got broken at some point changing a windshield. And so now we're going to put on the new one. Now we got the new one in here, guys. It's going to slide down. You do get a new base, just in case you need a new base in there. You're going to need a Torx 20 screw driver, so you can put that in. And then once you get that down, then you can work this one up. And then you're going to get underneath there and tighten that screw. After you tighten that bad boy up, you're good to go. You have your high beam feature. Go ahead and adjust it as you see fit. Don't over tighten that Torx screw. We don't want to push that up too hard into the glass itself or into that base. We don't want to tweak that base at all. Those are pretty much on there for good. So you should be able to use your OEM one, and this is less than 20 bucks. Now we don't have that dingy, ugly rearview mirror on here. As always, guys, that was a super simple short one. Just be careful when you pry it off. You'll need a small flat blade screwdriver, and you can do that. Now if you just need to change it in another vehicle, the procedure for removal is going to be about the same. Look for a screw first. If it doesn't have a screw, look for a spring clip. Doesn't have a spring clip, then more than likely you're just going to have those two open tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom, and you're good to go. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.